Hello everyone, it's me BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Beignet Duggub, and Duggub means millet. It's like a grain that you can find around Africa. And we're going to make some beignet fritters out of it. And the thing we have here is the what happened when you turn the grain into flour. And we're going to need 2 cups of that. Beside the millet flour, we're going to use some regular all-purpose flour, and the millet flour is going to be up to 80%, and the all-purpose flour is going to be 20%. We're going to add some nutmeg just to give it a little bit of flavor. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want to. Here is about a teaspoon of baking soda. And when it comes to the sugar, you can add as much as you need or a little. As you can see, I added like a half a cup of sugar because I do not like it too sweet. So the final ingredient that's gonna go into this dough is the water, and as you can see, it's about a half a cup of water. That's all you're going to need. Once you're done mixing the water in, it should look like a cake batter, not too thick, not too thin. Next, it's time to fry it, and I like to use my hand to help me scoop. I feel like the way the batter is kind of set, it's like it's not too thick, it's not too thin. My fingers is going to be the perfect scooper for it. But you have to be very careful because the oil is like at medium high heat, so it's very hot. So just be careful a little bit. And it's okay to overcrowd the pot as long as you can control it with a spatula and move the beignets around. And it will take about 5 minutes to cook on all sides. As you can see, it was very easy to make, and I hope you're going to try the recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back here next Sunday for another new video. Bye.